If your Excel file has duplicates, your totals are probably wrong right now, and that can cost you clients. Let me show you 3 easy ways to fix this, and one method most beginners don't even know. This usually happens when you copy data, import files, or combine multiple sheets. And if you don't fix it, your reports become inaccurate, which looks really unprofessional. And if you are doing Excel work for clients, this is one of the fastest ways to lose trust. But don't worry, this is actually very easy to fix. Let's start with the easiest method, remove duplicates. Select your data, go to Data tab, click Remove Duplicates. Choose your columns from where you want to remove duplicates. Click OK. And just like that, Excel removes all duplicate rows instantly. But here is something important. This method deletes duplicates permanently, so always keep a backup. Now let's move to method number 2, highlighting duplicates. Select your data, go to Home tab, then Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Cell Rules, and then Duplicate Values. This method is perfect if you don't want to delete anything yet, especially when working with important data. Most beginners skip this step and delete data too quickly, which can cause problems later. Now the third method, and this one is my personal favorite. Select all data, go to Data tab, select Advanced. You need to change action to copy to another location. Select your list range, select your criteria range, select destination cell. Make sure to check mark the unique records only. Press OK. And Excel creates a clean list instantly. This method keeps your original data untouched, which is exactly how professionals work. So which method should you use? Let's break it down quickly. Method 1, fast but permanent. Method 2, safe, good for review. Method 3, flexible and best for professional work. If you are serious about Excel or freelancing, the third method is the smartest choice. These exact skills are used in data cleaning jobs on freelancing platforms. Even simple tasks like removing duplicates can get you paid. If you want to learn more skills that actually make money, subscribe to our Nova. I will see you in the next video.